College pun fibro ka result kepada namta ka course dilet hapo Cttc Sohra kalame Chera Teachers Training Center Sohra. A list of the following candidates selected for dilet section 24-26. Yo don gibo tip ba kane bat kadayat kade lakajong kane de jong ka Cttc Sohra mo. Wanom sutu bakla ba kade kadayat kade lakajong menta kinang ya counseling. Thì keteng jong candidate kibala sya select Tang nek dan sanpo mau sanpo kasit. Tang tu adap ai rule number name of candidate. Ai bab Henry, badap Kupar, Bandahun, Ban Kerlang, Ban Kerlin, Ban Rabor, Ban Shaistar, Costerfield, Dayahun Shisha, Daily Mercy, Danisha, Dap Yang Lang, Dari Meka, Edelin, Amy Balin, Fervor Godfrey, Food Star Jun, Friday Lin, Harrison, Yabutlang, Yatailang, Ibahun, Kenning Star, Kit Linkor, Labat Kupar, and Arpendrew, Layahun Lang, Lapan Shai, Lari Lin, Larisha, Listri Mora, Mighty Shabah Kodor, Mandi Keri, Melagerku, Nesilia, Olkamiris, Fati Mary, Pibaroilin, Frankie Rudolph, Pulbari, Pendabor, Rapelin, Rida Hunlang, Ritalin, Sarisha, Shailenda, Shemuel, Stephirus, Venice, Wanda Shisha, Pat Winchester. Kini di San Pongut, kepala sya select gini. Sampai yang tu dengan orang the selected candidate should report to the undersigned and pay the fees of the first year DLED course 2024 institution fees kadai Rp4,000. The hostel fees lebih kuat bangsa hostel kadai per hajar spa. They have see on the 19, 22nd or 23rd July kan mau kini kelas ni pihaban pendap. Lana claim siu in sayok no the waiting list, the waiting list done. Failure on paying the fees on the specific date will result in the cancellation of the seat. Hakini kelas ni belabo ada claim lek siu mud bapila do ya kasit kin yok no the waiting list. Fees 1 page is not refundable. Ladap siu yo refund shoot ladap ino not mustang. Commencement of the class will be on the 1st August. Kini ki waiting list pada ladaki mdon ki bawan na kita ki selected list kin yo kini ki waiting list. Pilahun, Bangentuhun, Kamboklang, Riperbor, Strong Sing, Napi Dianglin, Maphendrisha, Alisha, Magrisha, James Refer, Barisha, Lumbalin, Royal Stone, Dahunlin, Wan Prangskem, Leonina, Rilinda, Rema, Larisha, Yarilin, Iba Sanibha, Melarihun, Lili, Adiel, Ibanti, McDonald, Lariti, Danbok, Hunlang, Sarabina, Riakor Shisha, Buktilang, Forward Star, Pendapoklang, Dari Suklang, Medarisha, Piwan Job, Mardor, Evangeline, Mar, Bakordor. Failure of the selected candidate to claim their seat, the waiting list candidate will be selected accordingly. Tang lada kita ki selected candidate kemuan tesa select pada ya kini ki waiting list. Tang ini ki jemput tip, pleasure.